You've been lied to. Your engine isn't dying, it's just suffocating. The truth is, 90% of the expensive repairs mechanics push on you can be avoided if you fix 9 overlooked details that steal your power, waste your fuel, and make your car feel old. So today, we're counting down 13 proven ways to make your engine run like it just rolled off the factory floor. And number 1 is a microscopic fix that 99% of drivers never even check. Number 13, give your engine air. Clean or replace the air filter. Your engine breathes just like you do. Clog the filter and it gasps. Keep it clean and it roars. A dirty air filter strangles horsepower, floods the cylinders with unbalanced fuel, and makes your car drink gas like a truck. Pop the latches on your airbox, pull the filter out. If it looks dark, dusty, or full of bugs, replace it. Cost, $20. Benefit? Smoother idle, sharper throttle, quieter ride. Do it every 12 to 15,000 miles, or sooner if you drive in dusty roads. Number 12, fuel injector cleaning. If your car feels lazy when you press the gas, your injectors might be dribbling instead of misting. Tiny carbon varnish builds up, turning that perfect spray into weak droplets. Fuel system cleaners help, but a professional pressurized cleaning every 30,000 miles will make your car feel reborn. The result? Quicker response, better mileage, cleaner emissions, and power that actually answers when you hit the pedal. Number 11, carbon cleanup, the hidden soot killer. Your engine's lungs get coated with black carbon that steals compression and makes it knock. Short trips, cheap fuel, and idling make it worse. You can fight it 2 ways. Option 1, use a fuel additive designed for carbon cleanup. Option 2, book a walnut blast service. Yes, actual crushed walnut shells shot into the intake to scrub it clean. Every 30 to 50,000 miles, do this, and you'll feel your car breathe again. Number 10, throttle body cleaning. Here's the most ignored component in car maintenance, and the easiest to fix. Over 60% of drivers never clean their throttle body, yet it's the gatekeeper of air entering your engine. When grime coats the butterfly valve, air gets restricted, causing rough, idle, poor throttle response or sudden stalling. All you need is throttle body cleaner and 10 minutes. Disconnect the intake hose, open the valve, spray, wipe, dry, reinstall. Instant smoother idle. Instant performance. Number 9, mass air flow sensor. The 5-minute power restore. This sensor tells your car's brain how much air is coming in. When it's dirty, your ECU guesses, and usually guesses wrong. Unplug it, pull it out gently, and spray MAF specific cleaner. Never touch the wire, let it dry and reinstall. Do this every 12,000 miles alongside your air filter change. You'll be shocked how much smoother the engine feels after this 5-minute job. Number 8, use quality fuel. Not premium, just right. Premium doesn't mean powerful. Octane rating means resistance to knock. If your car isn't tuned for high octane, you're just wasting cash. But don't cheap out either. Stick to top-tier fuel with detergents that clean injectors. Add a bottle of Techron or Seafoam every 3,000 miles for a micro-detox. Clean fuel equals clean combustion, smoother acceleration, and fewer deposits on sensors. Number 7, timely oil changes, the real lifeline. Here's another myth. Change oil every 3,000 miles. That's ancient advice. Modern engines running synthetic oils can safely go 7,500 to 10,000 miles, sometimes even 15,000 in European cars. But don't blindly copy anyone. Follow your owner's manual. Too early and you waste money. Too late and you destroy the bearings. Fresh oil means fresh life. It's your engine's blood. Never let it turn black. Number 6, replace worn components. Before they fail, engines are tough. The small parts around them, not so much. Worn spark plugs alone can rob up to 30% of your power. Old ignition coils, cracked vacuum hoses, or brittle intake boots silently drain performance. A full tune-up, new plugs, coils, belts, and hoses brings your car back to its teenage years. Don't wait for failure. Swap smart and early. Number 5, clean or replace the PCV valve. This tiny valve removes blow-by gases from the crankcase. When it clogs, pressure builds, oil leaks, and performance tanks. Pull it out, shake it. No rattle? It's blocked. Spray it with carb cleaner, let it dry, reinstall. A $10 fix that prevents sludge and keeps your engine breathing easy. Number 4, replace a damaged gas cap. A cracked or loose gas cap causes air leaks that trigger check engine lights and ruin fuel trim. It's a $20 part that protects thousands in engine performance. Upgrade to an ethanol-safe cap labeled e-fuel compatible. It lasts longer and seals better. Number 3, clean the gas cap and filler neck. Dirt around the filler neck prevents the cap from sealing. Wipe the threads and the rubber ring with a WD-40 damp cloth. Never spray directly. Tighten until you hear one clean click. That click means pressure is back, and so is your power. Number 2, use the correct type of gas. Cap vented or non-vented. They're not the same. The wrong one upsets pressure balance, stressing your fuel pump and hurting air-fuel ratio. Always check your owner's manual. A universal cap isn't universal. Correct pressure equals perfect combustion and factory-fresh performance. Number 1, silicone grease the gas cap gasket. This one is microscopic, but it seals the deal. Literally, that rubber gasket on your gas cap dries out over time, creating micro leaks that confuse sensors and ruin idle. Once a year, apply a pea-sized dab of dielectric silicone grease around the ring, twist the cap a few times, and you've just sealed horsepower back into your car. No leak, no vapor loss, no pressure drop, just smooth, steady power. Bonus tip: the hidden cooling system secret. If your engine is the heart of your car, the cooling system is its circulatory system, and neglecting it quietly kills performance. Most drivers think coolant only prevents overheating, but in reality, it controls combustion temperature, oil viscosity, and even fuel efficiency. When the coolant turns rusty or acidic, it eats away at aluminum parts, ruins head gaskets, and makes sensors read false data, tricking your ECU into poor fuel-air balance. Here's what to do. Once a year, open the radiator cap when the engine is completely cold. If the coolant looks cloudy, brown, or smells burnt, it's time for a full flush. Use only the manufacturer-recommended coolant. Never mix green, red, or blue types unless you know their chemistry matches. Replace the radiator cap if it's weak. It's a $10 part that maintains the pressure your engine needs to run efficiently. A clean cooling system keeps your engine's temperature stable, prevents detonation, and extends oil life, meaning every other fix you do in this video actually works better. Keep it cool, keep it alive. Do these 13 fixes and your engine won't just run, it'll purr. You'll feel it every time you hit the gas, hear it every time you idle at a red light. Because engines don't die of age, they die of neglect. Now you know the truth. Before you grab that wrench, watch this next video. 19 costly oil change. Mistakes that ruin your engine. It's pure engine-saving gold, and your car deserves it.